Hello everyone, it's 14th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have Gaza declaration inked as Hamas sets hostages free, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have retail inflation eases to 8-year low of 1.54%, again very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have Uttarakhand eases marriage registration rules under UCC, very important for polity and governance as well as society perspective. Moving forward, we have this editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says estimating India's potential growth rate, very important again. And then we have a green transition accelerating to at express speed, again a very important editorial. Then we have talking to Taliban, India must be wary of terror groups even if they are in power, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the need to address caste-based atrocities, very important again for society perspective. Moving forward, we have the under-explained drop in gender ratio following Bihar's SIR, again very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news. A realignment of Pak-Afghan relations, again very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have counting calories, a brief history of how the unit of food was conceptualized, again very important for health related issues. Moving forward, we have India invites Carney for AI summit. Both sides agree to restart trade talks. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have retail inflation eases to 8-year low of 1.54%. Then we have IRCTC case. Delhi court frames charges against Lalu Prasad and his family. Again, very important. Then we have foreign Afghan government staffers fear for their future. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have with women's vote proving decisive, NDA goes all out to garner support. Very important for society as well as polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have number of births declines, death rise slightly, says a report. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have Indian refiners cut Russian oil imports by 45% between June and September, says Scalper data. Again, very important for international relations as well as economy perspective. Then moving forward, we have this world page. Then first news we have after Gaza truce, Trump vies for peace deal with Iran. Trump asks Israel to work towards West Asia peace in Knesset speech. Then we have Gaza deal serves as a source of hope for Ukraine, says Zelensky. Again, very important. Then we have Pak troops on high alert on Afghan border after clashes. Then we have Syrian Democratic Forces strike a draft deal to merge troops with regular army. Again, all these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that's it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.